See the simplified structure of heart. These are right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. Here SAN is present. This is known as pacemakers. SAN is sinoatrial node. They generate the impulse for the heartbeat. Between the auricle and the ventricle in the right side is present the tricuspid valve. Between the left auricle and left ventricle is present the bicuspid valve. They prevent the backflow of the blood. So, this is the right auricle, this is the left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. When the ventricles contract, the oxygenated blood is pumped to aorta. This is the largest artery. To prevent the backflow of the blood from the aorta to the ventricle, again a valve is present which is known as semilunar aortic valve. Here, when this ventricle will contract, the deoxygenated blood will move to the pulmonary artery, the exceptional artery which carries the deoxygenated blood. Again, to prevent the backflow of this blood, here also a semilunar valve is present which is known as semilunar pulmonary valve. Let us understand the circulation of blood. When this left ventricle contracts, the oxygenated blood moves from the aorta, will move to finer branches, arteries, different arteries, and suppose they will reach to each and this blood will reach to each and every organ. For understanding, let us take any of the organ. So by the help of arteries they will come to the organ. There, with the help of capillaries, the substances will be exchanged and oxygen will be used. Deoxygenated blood will be collected by the venules, will be brought back to the veins, and through vena cava it will reach to the right auricle. When this right auricle will contract, the blood will come to right ventricle. When right ventricle will contract, the blood from the pulmonary artery will move to the lungs. There they will get oxygenated. The oxygenated blood will come from the pulmonary veins to the left auricle, and when this will contract, it will come to the left ventricle. When left ventricle will contract, then oxygenated blood will go to aorta. This cycle will be repeated. So we can see that one cardiac cycle, 2 times the blood is leaving the heart and 2 times the blood is entering the heart. The first time we can say this aorta, oxygenated blood is leaving, and 1 time the deoxygenated blood is leaving through pulmonary artery. 2 times the blood is coming back to heart. 1 time it is coming through vena cava, the deoxygenated one, and 1 time it is coming back with the help of pulmonary veins, the oxygenated blood brought from the lungs. So 2 times the blood is entering the heart and 2 times it is leaving the heart. This type of circulation is known as double circulation. Among the double circulation, one circulation is known as pulmonary circulation and one circulation is known as systemic circulation. In the pulmonary circulation, we can see the circulation is the circulation of the blood is from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart. And in the systemic circulation, circulation of the blood is between the heart and the different parts of the body except the lungs. The systemic one is a long one and the pulmonary one is a short one. Once more, with the help of diagram we can see. This is known as pulmonary circulation. The blood from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart. This is pulmonary circulation. Blood from the heart to the different body organs and back to the heart. This is systemic circulation.